Hello, this is Erin Morgan with Insight Media, and I am excited to be here today with Dr. Monica Zhang. She is Head of Medical Affairs for EssilorLuxottica North America. Dr. Zhang, welcome, and thank you for joining us today for our Myopia Masterclass Strategy of the Day.
Pleasure to be here, Erin.
Thank you. So you are a myopia expert. You have, a great idea for kind of streamlining the education process for parents and patients in the practices that are looking to be successful with myopia management today.
So firstly, explaining what myopia is really, really important, because that is really going to set the foundation as to why myopia matters, and then how you can explain to the parent why myopia should be managed. Now, I start off by explaining what normal eyeballs are like. So a normal eye is round, like a basketball. And so when light enters the eye, it's focused exactly on the back of the eye. And that's why you have good, clear distance vision. Now, in the situation of myopia, this is also known as nearsightedness. And the eye, instead of being perfectly basketball shaped, it's a little bit more football shaped like that. And that's because the eye is starting to grow longer and longer. So when light rays enter the eye, instead of being perfectly focused on the back of the eye, it's focused in front of the eye, and that's why distance vision is blurry. And then usually the parents may ask, what can we do about it? Well, you can just explain to them, traditionally, you would wear spectacles or contact lenses that correct the eyes, so you'd have really good distance vision. But today there's new technology available where you can actually either wear contact lenses or specially FDA authorized spectacles, or there's overnight reshaping lenses. All of these actually can send a special signal into the eye, and this special signal goes into the eye that the eye detects, and it actually slows the eye from growing out this way. So what happens is the prescription is going to be slowed down, because when you develop nearsightedness, the prescription tends to change really fast when you're younger. Now, when you use any of these treatments send a special signal into the eye that tells the eye to slow down. And that's what we can do today differently from just correcting our eyes. We can have the opportunity to slow down the myopia. And as I mentioned, there are FDA authorized as well as FDA approved solutions, and they range from spectacles, contact lenses, overnight reshaping lenses, and some doctors also prescribe pharmacological solutions.
Fantastic. Well, that is a great way to share, a great and concise way to share, educate the parent and the patient as well. So thank you for joining us. We really appreciate that strategy for our practitioners and our viewers.
Thank you.